This right here is Snoopy's birthday party themed miniature set from Pure Mind, and I'm really excited to open it up and build it. The whole room being shaped like a gift box is the cutest thing ever. It also comes with a figure inside, so let's see how it goes. Now that we did the unboxing, it's time for the assembly. Let me tell you what we're going to do step by step. First, we're going to cover all the walls. Then we're going to assemble the tiny furniture. And after that, the tiny things, which I'm not going to show you because it was so hard to film them. There were a lot of tiny stuff going on. And you'll get the most satisfying part at the end of the video, which is assembling the big parts all together. We're finished with the walls and it's time for the furniture. When I saw this mailbox, this video idea came to my mind. Let me know what you think. The next day I started to work on Snoopy's doghouse. Meanwhile, all of the things I glued dried. The hardest part was these tiny things. The staple part was so tricky, and it was all because of the fabric. And then I find out that I need to do the same again with this fabric. Okay. Okay, let's make the birthday cake now. Now I'm cutting these ribbons to make the gift ribbon thing. I want these Snoopy shaped cookies. The best part I mentioned is this.